Antalya, a gem of Turkey's Mediterranean coast. Nestled along the picturesque turquoise waters of the Mediterranean Sea, Antalya stands as a captivating destination that effortlessly weaves together ancient history and modern charm. With its rich historical sites, stunning natural landscapes, and vibrant cultural scene, Antalya offers an enchanting experience for every traveler. History and heritage. Antalya's history dates back to ancient times, and its historic significance is evident in its well-preserved landmarks. The Old Town, known as Kalyasai, is a labyrinth of narrow streets and Ottoman-era houses. Here, you can explore the impressive Hadrian's Gate, a triumphal arch built in honor of Emperor Hadrian's visit in 130 AD. The Antalya Archaeological Museum further delves into the region's past, showcasing an extensive collection of artifacts from various civilizations that once flourished here. Natural beauty. Beyond its historical treasures, Antalya boasts breathtaking natural beauty. The Dudin Waterfalls, a cascading wonder located just a short drive from the city center, offer a refreshing retreat. For beach enthusiasts, Konyaaltı and Lara beaches provide golden sands and crystal-clear waters, perfect for sunbathing and water activities. For a touch of adventure, the cable car ride up to the Tatali mountain offers panoramic views of the coastline and beyond. Ancient Purge and Aspendos. A short drive from Antalya takes you to two remarkable ancient sites. Purge, an ancient Greek city, boasts impressive ruins, including a well-preserved stadium and a grand theater. Aspendos, on the other hand, is renowned for its Roman theater, considered one of the best-preserved theaters in the world. Both sites offer a captivating glimpse into the past. Cuisine and culture. Antalya's culinary scene is a reflection of its diverse heritage. From traditional Turkish kebabs and mezes to international cuisine, the city caters to every palate. Exploring the local markets, such as the Kalyasai Bazaar, is a delightful way to experience the flavors and aromas of the region. Don't forget to savor a cup of Turkish tea or strong coffee as you soak in the vibrant atmosphere. Festivals and events. Throughout the year, Antalya hosts various festivals and events that celebrate its culture and traditions. The Antalya International Film Festival draws filmmakers and enthusiasts from around the world, while the Aspendos Opera and Ballet Festival offers enchanting performances against the backdrop of the ancient theater. In summary, Antalya is a captivating blend of history, natural beauty, and vibrant culture. With its ancient landmarks, stunning landscapes, and warm hospitality, this Turkish gem invites you to explore its diverse offerings and create unforgettable memories along the Mediterranean coast.